Hello everyone, my name is Shohini Mazumdar. I am daughter of Rotarian Aisha Mazumdar. On this occasion, I thought I would treat you to a reading of one of my favorite Tagore poems of all time. Tagore needs no introduction. However, he is someone about whom you learn something new every day. The poem that I will be reading is called Unending Love, originally written in Bangla as Ononto Prem. A little bit of trivia about the poem. I'm sure everyone knows the iconic movie Roman Holiday, starring the legendary Audrey Hepburn and Gregory Peck. Well, this was Audrey Hepburn's favorite poem. When she passed away, at her funeral, her on-screen romantic partner Gregory Peck read out this poem as a tribute to her as an actress in the genres of romance as well as other genres, as well as a tribute to Tagore, whose poetry appeals to people across countries and cultures. Let us begin the reading of the poem, and I hope that you enjoy it. Unending love. I seem to have loved you in numberless forms, numberless times, in life after life, in age after age, forever. My spellbound heart has made and remade the necklace of songs that you take as a gift, wear round your neck in your many forms, in life after life, in age after age, forever. Whenever I hear old chronicles of love, its age-old pain, its ancient tale of being apart or together, as I stare on and on into the past, in the end you emerge, clad in the light of a pole star piercing the darkness of time. You become an image of what is remembered forever. You and I have floated here on the stream that brings from the fount, at the heart of time, love of one for another. We have played alongside millions of lovers, shared in the same shy sweetness of meeting, the same distressful tears of farewell. Old love, but in shapes that renew and renew forever. Today it is heaped at your feet. It has found its end in you. The love of all man's days, both past and forever. Universal joy, universal sorrow, universal life. The memories of all loves merging with this one love of ours. And the songs of every poet, past and forever.